Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Again. Dahil hindi na ako magpupulbos.
Ako be. Konti lang dahil yung ilong ko.
Iwa-white mo yung ilong mo. Sobrang,
Pink.
Hindi mo naman kasi gusto yung pink, diba? Oh, naging light lang naman.
Ilang yan?
Pwede niya ako.
Go.
Parang wala namang pinkness.
Go. Te, huwag mo to dagganan.
Ikaw nga, nadadaganan mo kanina.
Akin to I can do whatever I want.
Nagsaslide yung makeup eh. May pink ba? Wala yata.
Saglit nga.
Ate, pahiram na ako nung sa akin ha.
Bakit? Ginagamit ko pa.
Hindi gumagana yan sa akin eh. Ayaw ako lahat.
Excuse me.
Ano ba? Ayun naman ang wala. May unting pink naman ata. Mami, may unting pink ba? Ma'am? Ma'am, may unting pink ba? May unting pink? May unting pink ba? Ma'am, may unting pink ba? Sabi ko na nga ba, may unting pink.
So if you don't see anything, just say if you see something.
I see something on my face.
You see your face, of course.
Yeah, there's a little pink. Ano? Uy! Natanggal.
Bro, why is this always open? It's because baliktad ba?
Hindi yan.
Akala ko baliktad. Because bro, look at the sides. Look at the sides. See?
Oh.
They did a terrible thing. They should just have gone with the square, right?
Yeah.
Doon na lang tayo sa square.